Would you like to get notified whenever changes are made to a Google Sheet? This is helpful when you have a Google form and you want to know when someone has filled out the form, or you have shared a Google Sheet with a group and need to know when changes are made. I have found this helpful as students come and go from a school, or I send out a survey to the faculty to find out some information. If you are using a Google form, you need to set up the responses to a Google Sheet. The first thing that you would do is, of course, create your form, and then you're going to click on Responses. Here you're going to come over to the spreadsheet icon, and you will choose one of these options. Create a new spreadsheet, or select Existing Spreadsheet and click Create. It will automatically create it for you, and it will set it up so that your answers, of course, will fall under each of the questions that you had at the top as the people fill out the form. The next thing that you're going to do is go to Tools, click on Notification Rules. You have two options here for notifying. Notify me at your email address when any changes are made or when a user submits a form. When any changes are made is selected, that means someone else might have access to this spreadsheet and they can make changes. For example, if I just created a spreadsheet and I had the students when they arrive at the school or when they are leaving the school and the information that I need in order to set them up in programs or to get their user ID and things like that. The other one is anytime someone submits the form and the information is put into this spreadsheet. Your other option here is notify me with an email, which you have two choices, either a daily digest, which would be a list of everything that was changed on the spreadsheet, or right away. So as soon as someone makes a change or submits a form, you will receive an email to let you know. So I'm going to choose any changes are made, and that would also include when a form is submitted. And then I'm going to choose email right away. And I click Save. So as you can see in my email, I have 3 emails from Google Docs titled Getting Notifications for Sheets. Responses was edited recently. So when I open that up, you will see that I have the 3 different ones, and it's telling me that my sheets was edited, whether it comes from someone completing the form or someone has edit rights to my sheet and they went in and edited the sheet. So you can see right here in my Google Sheets, it starts listing the timestamp and then answers to the questions. And this one was anonymous, so I did not collect email addresses or have them put their names on them. But you would also add that in your Google form if you wanted to know exactly who was answering your questions. And that is how you get notifications for sheets, whether it's editing the sheet or someone filling out a form.